Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, I would like to show you that you can actually determine that this equation has no solution in the set of real numbers without necessarily solving the equation. This is an equation because it contains an equality sign. And what does this stand for? An equality sign indicates that what is on the left-hand side is exactly the same with what is on the right-hand side. We have no problem with 3 because it is a constant number, right? But here we have a variable x, and this is a fraction. And in the set of real numbers, we do not expect to have any negative value of x here because square root can only take positive numbers in the set of real numbers. That's number one. So the smallest value it can take is 0, 1, 2, 3. So all the whole numbers, right? All the set of all numbers. Or let me say all the set of real numbers greater or equal to 0. So let's assume it is equal to 0. If x is 0, square root of 0 is 0, and 2 plus 0 is still 2. 1 divided by 2 is 0 0.5, which is far less than what? 3. From theorem of limit, it stated that when you have a fraction, the more the denominator becomes bigger and bigger, the more the whole fraction tends to approach 0. So when this denominator keeps on growing bigger, the whole fraction will tend to approach 0. Because the next value we are going to take, since we are only considering values greater or equal to 0, the next one we may take 1, 2, 3. If it is 1, square root of 1 is 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3, then we have 1 divided by 3 is 0 0.333, which is also less than this. We may take like 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 divided by 4 is 0 0.25, which is also not equal to 3. We may take 9, square root of 9 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 divided by 5 is 0 0.2. You can see that the more you increase the value, the more the fraction becomes smaller. And hence, this particular equation has no solution in the set of real numbers. But we can solve it. By cross multiplication, you can take this, you multiply by the whole of this. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times root x is 3 root x. And this is equal to 1, right? Because, you can rationalize this one. 1 times 1 is still 1. If you take 6 to the other side, it becomes negative. We have 1 minus 6, which is negative 5. So therefore, 3 root x is equal to negative 5. Divide both sides by 3. Square root of x is equal to negative 5 divided by 3. What I told you, square root of a number cannot be negative in the set of real numbers, right? And hence, this is not true. Even if you decide to square both sides, we can do that. X will be what? Square of negative 5 is 25. Square of 3 is 9. Try to plug it back into the original equation to see whether x is really 25 divided by 9. Let's do that. For example, we want to simplify the right-hand side, substituting x equal to 25 divided by 9 to see whether we are going to get 3, which is exactly on the left-hand side. So if I should take this one, it will be 1 divided by 2 plus the square root of 25 divided by 9. This is 1 divided by 2 plus square root of 25 is 5, square root of 9 is 3. Let's simplify the bottom. We have 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So we have 11 over 3. So this is 1 divided by 11 divided by 3. Reciprocal of 11 divided by 3 is just 3 divided by 11. And 3 divided by 11 is not the same thing as 3. And hence, x cannot be equal to 25 divided by 9. And we conclude that the whole equation has no solution in the set of real numbers. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.